Hey guys, Technomentary here today to show you guys how to fully restore your iPhone 7 to factory default and delete all of your data and setting. So this method is pretty straightforward. If you guys are looking to kind of delete everything on your phone and get back to how originally you had it. So first thing you want to do is go into settings. Make sure you're signed out of your iCloud account, which you'll see your name will be here if you're signed in. If you're not, this is the method you'll see. Usually what you do is click on that, and at the bottom of the screen you'll see a sign out, and then you would put in your password. If you don't do that and reset your iPhone, it will become iCloud lock, which means you'll have to put in your password again to kind of unlock it and do the process over again. So once you're into the settings, the next thing you want to do is go halfway through where it says general, click on general, and then finally go down all the way to the bottom of the screen where it says reset. Click on reset, and the option you want to select to erase everything on your phone is erase all content and setting. The second option, as you can see, this method will delete everything. Usually takes a couple minutes to maybe longer depending on how much data you have. But before you even go ahead and do that, I highly recommend, if keeping up a backup your data, either back up to your iCloud account, or plug it in into your on a computer and open up iTunes and do a backup there. So I already have done that. This phone, for demo purposes, I won't show you, but in some of my other video you can see how to kind of do that as well. There are a bunch of other reset options like networks, or if you're looking to reset your keyboard layout or your location and privacy services. Those are minor for their specific component, but we want to erase everything. So we'll go ahead and click the second option. The first thing it'll kind of pop up is a confirmation that you want to erase your iPhone, because this will delete all media and data. So be very careful that you guys back it up beforehand. So I'll go ahead and click erase iPhone. Um, and then final warning before you do that, because this cannot be undone once you erase your iPhone. So we'll go ahead and click that again, and there you go. So there you have it. It is doing a factory reset of the iPhone 7. This method, I found that if you delete things beforehand, it will be faster. But if you don't, you do got to give it a time, because it goes and deletes all of your apps, your photos, videos, any information you ever had on your phone. Just pretty much, if you're looking to sell your phone or give it to someone, this is the method you would do it. Or if sometimes if you're experiencing issues with it, I'll go ahead and back up the phone and then do this kind of factor reset, so the phone, everything is clear, such as memories and all the internal parts of it. Or even if you're having issues such as like camera not working, volume, or even like speakers aren't working, touches aren't working, any of the buttons not functioning the way it should be, this method sometimes helps resolve that issue. So after it does this um reset, what it will do is take us back to kind of where you would start setting it up, such as language, Wi-Fi settings, and all the other good stuff that comes with setting up your phone. If you guys want to check those video out, there will be a video posted on my channel as well on how to quickly set up to get to the home screen as well. Hopefully this video helped. If it helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can make more awesome videos for you guys. See you guys next time.